Hey guys, how are you all doing? So it's been it's been forever, it's been a while, it's been a few months, it's been probably 10 to 11 months. And yes, so much has happened during that time. 11 months, 10 months, 12 months is enough for a child to have celebrated their 1 year. It's enough for you to have planted and harvested like twice or even thrice, depending on the crop. 11, 12 months is enough for you to like do two, three short courses and even, graduate and get some papers. Like 11 months is a long time. 11 months, people have found each other, they have dated, and they have broken up. So, what has happened for me in my 11 months? Wow. So, the first thing is just before I stopped vlogging, I found out that I was pregnant. And it's something we were trying to get pregnant, and we did get pregnant. And so it wasn't like what just happened. No, it was like, oh my god, it happened, and I was so excited. And yeah, the first few weeks was just pure excitement because of, yeah. And then during that period, an opportunity arose for us to move, and it was a good opportunity. And we were like, yeah, we are going to take this. So we moved and went to live somewhere else. And so when we moved, I was ready with content. I was just like, I'm going to do my living room makeover video, kitchen makeover video, bedroom number one, bedroom number two. I was so excited to do it all. And then my morning sickness was just impossible. Like I used to have no energy, but yo, I'm going to give you more information about my pregnancy experience in another video. If you want to see that video, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to do that video about my pregnancy experience. So I waited out for my first trimester to end, but my morning sickness sort of went into the second trimester for like a month and a half. And so by the time that was done, and then I was trying to get into back into YouTube, what happened was I shot a couple of videos. I did, and I edited them, and I was like, this I'm going to upload so that once the baby is born, like content is just like, coming and coming and coming, and I'm not having stress thinking about when to edit, when to do this. But y'all, I didn't end up uploading those videos that I shot, and then we ended up having to move again. So now we moved, and where we are right now, I hope and I pray to God is a place that we will be able to stay longer, because as you have seen, I have been married for less than 2 years and we have already moved twice. Sisi ni mapastoralists na manomads, kazi ni kwenda tukitafuta tafuta where the good pasture and water is. So but okay, sahi we are praying that hapa kwenye tuko tutakuwa tumetulia, but the plans are of a man, but God knows what is going to happen next. Anyway, so yeah, we moved, and then when we got to this place, we stayed for about, so I had plans, I still do have plans of like doing what I would want with this house. But then a month and a half into living in this place, I ended up delivering the most beautiful baby boy. And so that again was a hiccup. Like, okay, now I want to shoot content, but I'm here with a newborn. I'm a new mom. I have no idea, zero idea. Okay, let's start here. My child was the first baby, newborn baby I have ever held in my arms. Like, I have never held a less than 2 month old baby. So I'm not holding this baby only. I'm supposed to take care of this baby, feed this baby, clothe this baby, uh, wash this baby, do everything for this baby to make sure that he survives. And I have no idea what I am doing. But you know what? That's another video of my first time being a mom experience. And all this content is just waiting for you guys. So if you also want to see that video, my experience on being a first time mom, which I still am, it's not like I have stopped, uh, tell me in the comment section below and I am going to do that video. If you're also interested in seeing my delivery story, which to be honest is quite interesting, I ended up getting a C-section, so and it was just a whole story, and it's, trust me, if you're interested, comment section below. But before you comment, there's that subscribe button right there. If you have not tapped, if you have not clicked onto the subscribe button, please do and hit the notification bell. You know, one, it's how you support me, and two, it's how you get to find out when I upload the delivery story, the first time being a mom experience, my pregnancy experience. So if you're interested in seeing that content, hit the subscription button below. So yes, uh, basically that's been it. Being a mom, having to move, being pregnant, this has been just the few seasons and life changes that I had gone through during the 11 months. So like I told you, 11-12 months is a lot of time, and yes, that is what has been happening. So guys, I just wanted to catch you up on what has been going on, and as you can see, my life is clearly still not in order. And yes, I am excited to be back. Content is flowing. I hope you've watched my last week's video, which was a vegetable rice recipe that you can, it's quite easy, quite simple, and very affordable. So when you're hosting, it's your way to go. It's a meal that your guests are going to enjoy. So try out the recipe, watch the video, let me know. And yeah, remember to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to share it so that your friends may watch. And again, hit the subscription button. Until next time, bye bye. Not in order is out. Bye.